6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast, and oh, what a day in the Coastal Bend. Nice to see the sun out. Cold this morning, but pleasant this afternoon as we topped out at a nearly perfect California-like 71 degrees. Here is the satellite and radar showing some high clouds working through the area right now, but the sunshine did return. The clouds will be thickening up though tonight and tomorrow, so it's a one-day wonder, but it certainly was worth the wait after the weather we had this past weekend and yesterday. Let's take a look at our live Skycam, and you can see the clouds off to the southwest there. So if you have plans this evening, things are looking good. If you're going to be out for that walk or jog or to take the dog out, again, looking good with the clouds on the increase down the road from Mexico right here, as they're going to be pouring into the area here overnight and tomorrow. The short-term forecast calls for still some sunshine at 7 and 65, dropping down to about 60 at midnight, and east to southeast winds moderately blowing at about 15 miles an hour. Then we'll drop on down to the upper 50s, and these southeasterly winds take over, and our temperatures will actually be steady to slowly rising towards daybreak. So that's the setup in our forecast short term, with lows in the area happening around 2 to 4 a.m. and ranging from 64 in Port Aransas to 58 inland at Beeville and George West, and also out near Freer. So the day planner for tomorrow, 7 a.m., mild and muggy, 63 degrees as we start the day. Notice the clouds, and milder at noon and 73, and windy with only a few sprinkles because the wind will keep the clouds from developing vertically. It'll shear them off, and so mostly cloudy and just 74 then at 5 p.m., but warmer than it was today in spite of the wind and the clouds. Here's a look at that on the future tracker. You can see the clouds thickening up overnight, and especially by daybreak, and then at noon tomorrow too. Tomorrow afternoon we pick up a few showers, but again the wind pushes most of that activity inland and not here in town. All right, the highs tomorrow look like this: 72 along the coast on area beaches to 78 in Freer and also Robstown, 79 in Kingsville, and 80 in Falfurrias. With the high pressure, that's moving off to the east, so we get a return flow off the Gulf. Upper level winds out of the southwest. That's why you see the movement of the clouds from Mexico into South Texas. This area of low pressure is going to cause the winds to pick up tomorrow, and this one is going to drop over the Rockies, and this storm system will be fizzling out as it approaches Texas over the weekend, and that front will not make it through the area. All right, here's a look at the wind forecast. So the winds pick up here tomorrow with low pressure up in the Panhandle. Then it drops down to breezy here on Wednesday and Thursday. So not bad there. These days are wrong. This should be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. It's back to windy. So again, we are seeing a change there. The clouds and rain, there's the high moving off to the east. There's the clouds coming back. And then most of the wind just to our east. We'll pick up a few sprinkles tomorrow afternoon, and that's just about the extent of it. With high pressure moving in, that means that the weather will improve here on Thursday and Friday with less wind and more sunshine. And then this upper level low takes over with storms in central Texas, not so much here. Your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast. Just a stray shower here tomorrow and windy, then breezy here, but not bad Thursday and Friday. Temperatures will be in the 80s with less wind. And then on Saturday, only isolated thunder showers. I think most of that rain is going to end up in San Antonio and Austin. And there's a big golf tournament, the Valero Open, going on up there in San Antonio, and that's going to have big problems. A lot of people have asked me about that.
Not good, because that makes a lot of money for charity.
And they're going to have problems on Saturday for that up there.
All right.